you, and time stood still, and love was all we knew. You were the first, so was I. We made love and then you cried. Remember when? Remember when? Remember when we vowed the vows and walked the walk? Gave our hearts, made the start, and it was hard. We lived and learned life through curves. There was joy, there was hurt. Remember when? Remember when? Remember when old ones died and new were born, and life was changed, disassembled, rearranged. We came together and lived apart, never hurt each other's hearts. Remember when? Remember when? Remember when the sound of little feet was the music we danced to week to week? Brought back the love, we found trust, vowed we never give it up. Remember when? Remember when the 30s seemed so old? Now looking back, it's just a stepping stone to where we are, where we've been. Said we'd do it all again. Remember when? Remember when we said when we turn gray, when the children grow up and move away, we won't be sad, we'll be glad for all the life we've had, and we'll remember when? Remember when?